Right. Other day I was talking about interceptors without touching the source code. If you want to add additional logics with respect to controller class handler method, we can bring what into picture? Interceptors into picture. Okay, how to develop interceptor? You should develop it as a Spring Bean by implementing what interface? Handler interceptor. That gives me how many methods? Three methods. Three default methods and normal abstract methods. Pre-handle, post-handle, after completion. Total 3 methods are given, right? Super. Okay. Total how many methods are given, guys? 3 methods are given. Okay, guys. Next, what is the next task we are? Internationalization in web application. Already we have seen in standalone application, but today we want to see in what? Web application. What is IIT-N? Making our application working for different locales. Locale means country plus language plus country. What is the locale? Language plus country. EN US, English as it speaks in US. FR, French as it speaks in what? France. FRCA, French as it speaks in what? Canada. These are called locale concepts are not there, guys. Definitely these things falls under what? Locale. Oh. Yesterday class was not there. Yesterday Sunday, a waste fellow. Okay, Sunday and we no common topic Sunday, right? Saturday you missed the session, my dear. My dear. Mr. Harish Bihari, Mr. Bihari Bhai, first attend Saturday class. Shivani, not officially Saturday only. I said no session on Sunday. No power, nothing. First attend Saturday class, then ask everything. Shivani Pandranga, boy or girl? Huh? Female only. Okay. What's your one? 718. Yes, it's a 718. Mr. Bihari Babu, first attend classes regularly. You have not missed when class is not there. How can you say you missed it? Waste fellows. Common sense. When class is not scheduled. Sir, Saturday recording, contact your admin. When class is not scheduled, how does you can say it's missed? Yeah, Saturday evening session, some joining problem has come. You will get the recording. Where is this admin? That go, oh yeah. Okay. Yes, boss. Shall we go for internationalization? Making our application working for different locales is called as what? Enabling internationalization, right? సాటర్డే క్లాస్ రికార్డింగ్ ఇస్తా అన్నాడు ఒకసారి హుసేన్ కనుక్కో సాటర్డే లాగిన్ ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చింది కదా రికార్డింగ్ ఇస్తా అన్నాడు ఓకే ఓకే E-Dry, class content, Spring. Yeah, where is this? 718, Spring Boot MVC. Spring Boot MVC. Here is what? I18N. Server managed connection pool. Say paint. I18N Spring Boot MVC application. Internationalization. I 18 letters N. This is called I18N. That's good. Making our application working for different locales is called what? Enabling I18N on the application. Locale means what, guys? Language plus country. These are the various example locales, na boss. EN US, English as it speaks in US, FR, French as it speaks in France, HIIN, Hindi as it speaks in India, right? Fine, okay. By enabling I18N on the application, we can make that application working for different locales. I18N deals with business logics or presentation logics. I18N is nowhere related to back end of the project. It's purely related to front end part of the application, right? Yeah, it will helps to change the presentation label based on the locale we choose, date patterns, time patterns, number formats, currency symbols, content indentation, left to right, right to left, this kind of what? Content indentation is possible or not there? Right. Google homepage, Gmail inbox, YouTube, Facebook, Amazon, and etc. In many places we are having or not there. Okay. By adding I18N support, we can sell our software products to more clients. If they are web application, then we can attract more customer belonging to different countries and localities are not there. For presentation labels of I18N, we need to use what? Multiple property files for multiple locales on one per locale basis. What basis? Yeah, I think we already got this base knowledge, guys. This is base file. This is for French locale. This is for German locale. This is for what? Hindi locale. These are for different locales are not there, guys. All these property file must have same keys but different values collected from Google Translator. Yeah. So this is the simple application I would like to develop, guys. Okay, home page, this label, this hyperlink label should change based on the locale we choose. And this is the form page that should come when you click on hyperlink. These labels, come on, simply. These labels, this is JSP page, this registration page, these labels, this caption of the submit button should change based on the locale we choose or not there. Must and should change based on the locale we choose or not there. Compulsory should change based on the locale we choose. Okay, that's good. Tell me now. Create Spring Starter project adding the following dependencies. Yeah, this is the procedure, guys. But before going further, two classes I want to introduce. By default, web application is not ready with internationalization. Not ready to receive locale information along with the request, not ready to activate application for internationalization. That's why you have to configure one Spring Bean with a fixed bean ID. Second time I'm saying fixed bean ID, right? That is session locale resolver. What is there? Using @bean method. Predefined class means definitely we have to use @bean method. Na? There you have to specify, okay, using which parameter name you want to get the locale information. If you don't specify anything, language. If you specify something, that something will gather the locale information. And you can also specify if no locale is coming, what is the default locale that should be activated. Yeah, session locale resolver, you have to make it as Spring Bean with a fixed bean ID, specifying parameter name that carries locale information, and also specifying, come on, and also specifying, I want reply from you people, guys. Also specifying, are you getting my point there, guys? Yeah. And also specifying, are you understanding my statement, guys? Hmm. And also specifying the locale information. What information? And also specifying simply what? The locale, default locale information. That's the one thing. One more thing, guys. Along with the request, we choose one or other language, Telugu or Hindi or something. Someone should take that locale information and should activate locale specific property file, should activate that locale by trapping every request each time. Come on. By trapping every request each time, you have to activate that one or not there. You must and should activate that one or not there, guys. Yeah, for that one, you have to use locale change interceptor. What scepter? Locale change interceptor, nothing but LCI. Locale change interceptor. What is there, guys? LCI should be utilized. What is there? Must and should be utilized to trap the request and to activate the locale along with the locale information that is coming along with the request are not there. Yeah, that is a ready-made interceptor, but configuring it, registering is our responsibility. Okay. Sir, what's the difference between both? Session locale resolver to activate internationalization on the whole application. By default, application is not ready in that angle. Right? Any resolver to activate a whole system, guys. Next, to receive each request, to trap each received request coming to controller class, gathering locale information, activating that locale throughout the request. Come on. For that one, okay, we need to work with one ready-made interceptor called what? Locale change interceptor. What change interceptor? What is there, guys? Locale change interceptor. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Super. Okay. Create Spring Starter project adding the following dependencies. One is what? Lombok. Other one is Spring Web. Other one is JSTL. Collect from what? mvnrepository.com. What, guys? Simply collect from MVN. Okay, fine. I have to introduce both the things, guys. Yeah, we'll do anyhow that. We do. See? Activate I18 and support in Spring Boot MVC application by configuring session locale resolver as Spring Bean. Public session locale resolver, create a SL resolver, @bean locale resolver. Session locale resolver is equal to new session locale resolver. Resolver dot set default locale, new locale of what? ENUS, return resolver. The moment this Spring Bean class object is created, it makes what? The underlying Spring MVC, Spring Boot MVC application to activate what? I18N on the application. To activate what? I18 on the application. Tell me. Tiles resolver to activate tile framework. Session locale resolver to activate I18N. COS multi-part resolver to activate some file uploading activity. Different things are there to activate this one are not there. See, guys. I'm active. Locale resolver is the fixed bean ID because we don't use it. That is internally used by dispatcher servlet. If this is there having this bean ID, dispatch servlet becomes ready for internationalization. If this is not there as part of checklist, okay, it will treat that application as a normal application. That's a fixed bean ID you have to give. No option of taking your choice bean ID. You compulsory should use what? Fixed bean ID. Is that clear, my dear? Right. Look at this next one. Configure locale change interceptor as Spring Bean in main class using what? @bean method. This interceptor takes the locale value from specified request param and change locale of what? Every request by trapping request. every request by trapping request. Are you getting my point there, guys? Public locale change interceptor, create LC interceptor. See guys, locale center object is created. I'm mentioning along with which request parameter this locale value should send na boss. Default is locale, but I am changing that one to what? LAN. Okay, this is the previous one is what? To activate I18 on whole application. This is for what, guys? To trap each request. Array, that's why first we discussed about interceptors, right? Only the thing is, other day we developed custom interceptor. Today we are dealing with what? A ready-made interceptor. Once this is activated, it has got the ability to trap the request, to check whether lang request param is having locale information or not. If not there, it will go back to default one. If there, it will activate that locale specific property file and locale information. Accordingly, labels and for date format, everything is decided or not there. This is to change locale for every request by trapping the request going to controller class, right? That is to activate what? Internationalization on the application at once. On the internationalization at once. Comfortable, my dear? This interceptor allows for changing current locale on every request via configurable request parameter. Default param is what? Locale. If nothing is specified, default is what? Locale. Are you understanding my statement? Fine. Okay, let's concentrate on application development. Nothing great. So this is our Eclipse IDE, guys. Yeah. I think today, tomorrow, internationalization and different servers configuration, dev tools, all this stuff is there. And one day we will discuss on Themeleaf. What is there? Themeleaf. Because JSP is losing its popularity as a alternate. We got a lightweight alternate. Themeleaf is there. Themeleaf and Bootstrap together we will try to use. Don't worry. When we develop microservice architecture project or application, that time we don't use Spring MVC as the front end. We try to use Angular or React JS application as the front end. One integration all APIs from Angular or React. Get knowledge on what? RESTful web service and microservices. Then you will get idea how to call APIs from Angular or React JS. Fine? All right. Okay, that's great. Tell me here, close all editors. Simply here, what is there? Close all editors. Okay. In worst and best, you prepared for this December first week. Mostly by December first week, all main topics will be over. Anyhow, parallelly, you completed majority common topics, right? Few topics are still there, but parallelly they are also going on. So you prepared for December first week because 2 days required, tomorrow and after tomorrow for MVC completion. Then RESTful web service needs 10 to 12 session, followed by remaining all the days till the land microservices. In the middle, anyhow, Saturday, Sunday, common topics are going on, pending topics are going on. So if all goes good, December first week, right? Okay, fine, nice. Let's come back. Spring Starter project. What project, guys? Spring Starter project. Tell me. Boot MVC 03 or something else. Boot MVC process 17. No one remembered. 16 or 17. I asked wrong people. 13 interceptors. New Spring Starter project. Boot MVC, how much? 14. Yeah, tell me here, where is this? I18N, I18N. Okay, fine, that's it. Where everything fine, I18N. Spring Boot MVs. Say next. Lambda KPI, Spring Data JPI, Web. Lambda KPI, Spring Data JPI, Web. Tell me. I don't want to talk to database. Only presentations I want to have. JSTL start rara, worst fellow. JSTL start ra. Muddy fellow. Yeah, data JPI also not required because we are not looking to talk with the database. Yeah, so JSTLs or JSTL. Yeah, we'll try to add JSTL related jars to pom.xml. Whenever you edit, you will get a red mark on this. HTTP. Yeah, tell me here what is the story to follow, guys? Here is my, yeah, tell me, boss, what is there? mvnrepository.com. Yeah, where is this? Apache JSTL. What is there? Apache JSTL 11.0. Copy this. Say paste. Yeah, 11.0 this. JSTL jars are added. Okay, that's good. Tell me next one. Java resources. Java resources. Tell me here what is there? Package com.nt.service. Next, new package no repository, nothing, guys. com.nt.model. Array, that form launching, all things there, na? That's fine. Okay, service also not required because I am not writing any serious business logic. Let's make it as what? Control. Let's make it as controller. Yeah, resources. Already application.properties is there. Okay, I want to keep this locale specific property file in a package, guys. com.nt.commons. com.nt.what? Commons. There. Tell me. New. Where is there? Class. New file. Tell me what is the file? app.properties. Next, guys. New file. app_fr_. fr.property. app_fr_fr. Yeah, where is this file? app_de_de.properties. Yeah, it's there, na? File, save as. Yeah, where is this? de_de.properties. File, save as. Tell me. hi_in.properties. Let's take different languages, guys. Save as China. cn_zh. China is generally what? ZH underscore CN dot properties. They got their own country code, ZH. Hmm. Fine, these are enough. This is the base file. This is the base file. Okay, let us maintain same keys and different values, right? Okay. Base file. Generally in base file, we'll maintain English labels or not. In base file, we'll try to maintain what? English labels. We generally try to maintain what? Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Total, according to the screens that I have shown, guys, according to the screens I have shown, let's decide number of labels first. Okay. This is title, link, title, link one, title. These are for just a presentation, guys. This is title, label one, label two, label three, caption. So here, how many labels? Four labels. Four or five? Five. Here, two labels. This is the story or not there, guys? This is the real story that we have to focus. Tell me. SRC main, what's there? SRC main web app. Here is what? Package. Okay, we have to keep folder only, na? Fine. We'll go for folder. What is the folder? Web INF. Yeah. Under this what, guys? Pages. Under this, what is the folder? Pages. Hmm. That's good. Great. Fantastic. SRC main web app. D underscore. Okay, fine. This is the base. Acha, here by mistake I kept here as the base file. This is actually base file. For Chinese locale. For what Chinese? For this is what? For Hindi locale. This is what? For what locale? French locale. This is for German locale. This is definitely for what? German locale. Okay. Yeah, this is my app.properties, guys. Tell me. Here is my app.properties. Home dot home dot title. What is there? Home dot page dot. Okay, fine. Home dot title. Home dot title. Welcome to I18N. Yeah, tell me. Home dot link one. Home dot link one. Tell me. Welcome to link one. Right. Register customer. I'll put W capital, register customer. Yeah, that's fine. That's a home page, guys. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, these are for home page. Home page labels. Yeah, tell me. Customer registration page labels. Dot registration dot dot registration dot. Okay, what is there? Title. What is there? Title. What is there? Customer registration page. Cust registration dot. Okay, what is there? First customer ID something we are asking na? Cust ID. Customer dot registration dot ID. No, actually there is ID. What is there? Customer ID. Customer dot registration dot name. Registration. Are label you are worried, ara? Here also registration. Right. Registration. Yeah, tell me guys. Customer name. Customer dot registration dot bill amount. Customer bill amount. What's there, guys? Customer bill amount. Comfortable, my dear? Customer registration title, customer registration ID, customer registration page. So we have taken all the labels now, boss. Now, what is our next target, guys? We have to convert this one to what? Other places are not there. File. Yeah, this is title, this is ID, this is name, this is bill amount. Fine. So let's take this entire stuff as it is, guys. Copy this. We have a Google Translate with us. Google.com. Yeah, that's fine. This good. Here is what? Translate. Google Translate. Where is Translate, guys? Google Translate. Fine. Say paste. Yeah, Hindi labels are coming or not there? Yeah. Fine. Automatically they are converted into Hindi labels now, my dear. Fine. If you want, you can ignore the first one. You can go for remaining things. Anyhow, base file, this is not required. But remaining things are coming nicely. Copy them. Go to Hindi locale specific property file. Yes, that's fine. This is for Hindi locale. Here we are getting the things are not there. Home title, link one, registration title. Sir, what all these are? Unicode numbers. Because Hindi script is not English script. So that's why for Hindi related Unicode numbers are there, they are coming or not there. If you want, you can change the comments to regular one, guys. Home page labels. This is comments are for our reference purpose only, na? Yeah, tell me, guys. Home page labels. Next, what is next one? Customer registration. Customer registration page label. Here are my what? Customer registration page labels. Yeah. This is the great thing. Copy this. This one. Say paste. Yeah, here is my what? Home page labels. Title, link one. Registration title, ID, name. Registration title, ID, name. Are you getting my point, my dear? Yeah, this is coming as it is, but I'm looking for French locale. First of all, let me take French. Yeah, it is coming for French, guys. Copy this. Come to this, paste it. Yeah, for home page labels. Customer registration page labels. Customer registration page labels. Yeah, fine, guys. Where is this? China. Chinese guys. This is coming in Chinese or not there, guys? Yeah. ZH underscore this. Say paste. Yeah, tell me. For home page labels. What is there? What is there? Customer registration page labels. This is for home page label. This is for what? Customer registration page label. That's good. ZH underscore China. This is Chinese labels. Now Hindi is left now, guys. Already done. French is done. Yeah. German is there. Okay. Yeah. For us, selecting one more hyperlink, nothing great. Here, what is the one I am searching for? Copy this. Say paste. This is for German local. Home dot title, home dot link one, registration dot title, ID, name, bill amount. Clear, my dear? Super. This is app dot properties, guys. Right. Give me 2 minutes, guys. Yeah, that's good. Great. Yeah, this is client. This is this. Here is what? D. Welcome to this. Are we ready with all this stuff, guys? Yeah. So we are but you have to configure this file, guys. Base file. At least you have to configure base file or not there. Yeah. In you need not to configure separately, guys. We have configure the base file for I18N. Configure the base file for I18N. Where is this, guys? Configure the base file for I18N. See, there's a key na spring dot messages dot base name. Spring dot messages dot base name. Spring dot messages dot base name. Com slash nt slash commons slash app. com/nt/commons/app. Yeah, fine. I have to configure view resolver as usual, Lena, guys. View resolver things. Spring dot mvc dot view dot prefix slash this. Spring dot mvc dot view dot suffix. What is there? Dot JSP. View resolver is configured or not? Okay. Yeah. First of all, let me activate Spring I18 and whole project, boss. I have to think about activating I18 on a whole project now, guys. Yeah. Public. Tell me. Session locale resolver. What is there? Create resolver. Session locale resolver. Create resolver. Bean name is equal to locale resolver. Return new session locale resolver of. Return new session, but I have to set a default locale kind of thing. If I create anonymous object, I can set, but that clarity is missing. Yeah, tell me, guys. Session locale resolver. Resolver is equal to. Resolver is equal to. Tell me. Session locale resolver is equal to. Yeah, I think new session. Session locale resolver. What is there? Resolve. Resolver is equal to new session locale resolve. Are you getting my point there, guys? Tell me. Resolver dot. What is there? Set locale. Resolver dot set locale. Are you getting my point there? Resolver dot set locale. Tell me. Yeah, new resolver dot set locale. New. What is there, guys? Resolver dot set locale. Set default locale. Fine. Set default to locale. Yeah, locale default. Nowadays, new locale is outdated. Nowadays, we got locale dot off has come. That's a new technique. Slowly, they are avoiding constructors. They're trying to create object through what? Off method. Yeah, where is this? Locale dot off enus. I want to see this one as what? Default locale. Yeah, here what is the one I am looking for? Return resolve. Simply what I am saying, guys, return resolver. Okay, that's good. Yeah, this is to activate. This is to activate. To activate, what is there? I18N on the application. To activate I18N on the application. That's good. Tell me next one. Public. Okay, guys. Public. Tell me, boss. Okay, local change interceptor. Locale change interceptor. Okay. Change interceptor. Create 1 minute. Create LCI. It can be anything. Change. Public locale change interceptor. Create LCI. What is there? @bean. Name is equal to any bean ID. It is a here fixed bean ID. You cannot take anything else. fixed bean ID. If I am not written fixed bean ID, you can write anything. Yeah, public locale change interceptor. Tell me. Locale change interceptor. What is there? Interceptor is equal to locale change interceptor. What is there? Interceptor dot set param name. What is there? Set param name. Default is locale, but I'm changing to lang. Yes, okay, that's good. Return lang. Return interceptor. Okay, fine. Yeah, this is to activate internationalization on whole application, on the whole application. This is to apply locale on, to apply locale by trapping each request. To apply locale by trapping what? Each request. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Yeah, that's great. Tell me. By trapping each request, we want to apply internationalization. Okay, where is this, guys? com.nt.control. But before that, don't forget, every interceptor must be registered through registry, guys. For that one, some configurer class we have to take now, my dear. I hope all fundamentals you remembered, right? Yeah, package com.nt.configurer. com.nt.configurer. Okay, that's good. Right click, guys. Tell class my web MVC. What is there? Configurer. My web MVC configurer. My web MVC configurer. Interface. What is the interface I should implement? What is there? Web configurer or web MVC configurer? Here is my what? Web MVC configurer. Tell me. @component. Huh? @component is not coming. Is it a Spring project or something else? Hey, fine, let it be. @component. Public class MyWebMVC configurer implements what? WebMVC configurer. Yeah, that's good. Something is going wrong here. It's not allowing to save. That means some problem has come in ID. What I should do? Restart. It has come now, my dear. Yes. Yeah. Tell me. Public class MyWeb configurer. Yeah. Now it's came. Sometimes it happens. Memory issue within ID. When more projects are there, this happens. 1 minute. The only solution for this problem is don't keep all projects in active mode. Because nowadays this problem is coming back to back, right? Don't keep all the projects in what? Active mode. Remove this. Boot MVC up to 13, 14 you keep in active mode. And remaining everything you simply say close projects. Yeah, it's closed, guys. So now onwards, while loading, it won't feel that much burden. And it worried about only active project, not worried about remaining. But in that process, don't close the servers folder. If you close the servers folder, Tomcat will not. I think they're the basic common sense statement, right? Yeah, private. Where is this? Locale change interceptor. Interceptor @auto. But I have to register that one now, boss. Add interceptor registry. What, guys? Add interceptor registry. Tell me. Registry dot add interceptor. Registry dot add interceptor. Is that clear, my dear? Come on. @auto void private locale change interceptor. My WebMVC configurer. This is component. This is @auto void. Yeah, registry dot add interceptor. What is there? Interceptor. That's good. Hmm. This is mini project interceptor, guys. This is resources. Here we have what? Resources. SRC main Java. That's good. Here is again resources. Application dot properties. Here is the whole thing now, boss. I think this is not our one. Is it our one? No. Yeah, 14th is our one. Okay. So basic configurations are done. Okay. Okay, now we have to develop our actual application now, boss. First, we focus on getting home page with the two labels only. Well, we'll try to check whether it is changing locales or fine. I want to remind one thing. When you press hyperlink, okay, it should send the request to that URL using which that page is launched. Do I need to write something in href attribute or not required? Using which URL the page is launched. Okay. I want to send request back to same URL using which that URL is launched. In that situation, do I need to add any URL in the href attribute or not required? Not required. Again, I repeat. In form action attribute, in anchor tag href attribute, keeping URL is optional. If you want to make them sending request to that URL using which the page is launched. Remember that? Using which path, request path, the page is launched. To the same path you want to send the request back. Then we can take the support of what? We can ignore placing things in what? href attribute and what? Action attribute are not there. Okay. This is what? Configurer com.nt.controller com.nt.model. Yeah, application.properties. Yeah, come back. First request. Request path is what? Slash all this stuff, right? First focus on launching the home page. Yeah, implicit request, dispatch servlet, handler mapping. It looks for handler method whose request path is what? Slash. Okay, first let me develop the controller class. Tell me. Customer operations controller. Customer operations controller. Yeah, tell me. Customer operations. What dot Java? Controller dot Java. Yeah, tell me next one. At the rate controller. That's good. Yeah, private string show home page. Here I'm taking what? Show home page. At the rate get mapping slash. Return LVN logical view ne. Return welcome. What's there? Return welcome. Dispatch servlet. Acha, fine. That's my mistake. It should be public. Otherwise, it is not visible to dispatch servlet. That's fine. Yeah, this logical view name goes to dispatch servlet. View resolver, view component that looks for view page in SRC, main, web app, under this pages, right? Under pages, right? Tell me here. New, where is there? JSP file. There, what is there? Welcome.j. Welcome.js. Yeah, it is this. Is EL ignored is equal to false. Where is this? H1. Tell me. Style. Color colon red. Text hyphen align center. Okay. Now listen. This is very important. I don't want to hard code the labels. I want to get the labels from property file by submitting their keys. Yes, okay. In Spring supplied JSP tag libraries, how many tag libraries are there? Two. One is a generic, one is a form. Okay, today we are going to use that generic tag library where general purpose tags are there. Yeah, first of all, to import any tag library, what is the story? At the rate page. What is there, guys? At the rate not pay. Tag lib. What is there? URI. At the rate tag lib URI. Tell me. Prefix is equal to SP. Prefix is equal to SP. Yeah, tell me. SP colon. What colon, guys? SP colon. SP colon. We have a tags. We have a tags to read the message. Okay, not pass. SP colon. Yeah, we have a something message. Message. It will read the message. How to mention the key, guys? Code is equal to. What is equal to, guys? Code is equal to. Tell me. What is the code we have to place, guys? Application dot properties. What is there, guys? Application dot properties, but no, not this. We have to see app dot properties. There we have a keys now, guys. Resources, com/nt/commons/ app dot properties. Where is this? Home dot title. Home dot title. You have to mention the keys, my dear, right? Where is this? Home dot title. SP colon message code is equal to home dot title. Yeah, that's good. style. Color colon red, text colon align center. This SP colon message code is equal to home dot title. Here is my what? BR. New line has come. I need to provide one hyperlink also, guys. Yeah, tell me. Href. What is there? Customer. Otherwise, we'll put a register. Yeah, when I click on it, this should happen. Register. Anchor tag opening and what? Closing. SP colon message code is equal to home dot link one. What guys? Home dot link one. Link one or link one? Huh? Why are you feeling shy to say link one, ra worst of all? Huh? Acha. Okay. Fine. SP colon message code is equal to home dot link one. Fine. BR. What is there? BR. Here is the story. What is the story? href. But see, again, it should come to same page. After changing label, same page should have. So do I need to give href attribute? If I give also, again, slash should be given. But if I don't give also, it will be same URL. But I want to pass. Earlier, no request parameter, but this time I want to pass. Lang is equal to, which lang you want to pass? D underscore D. Here I am typing, where is this? German. What is there? German. German, I want to write in German, guys. Okay. For that one, better to take page encoding, semicolon, char set is equal to UTF-8. Char set is equal to UTF-8. href lang is equal to D underscore D. Lang is equal to D underscore D. That's it. Nothing else. Okay, na? href lang D underscore D German. Ampersand NBSP semicolon. Great. Paste. Ampersand NBSP semicolon. Some spaces, guys. Same thing I have to take up for here also, guys. Yeah, here is my German. Okay, then French is there now, guys. FR underscore FR. Don't use fixed. Whatever extra words you have taken in the property file, try to use. Okay, we'll make them center, guys. Center of the page. We'll make them coming at what? Center of the page. Cut it. Paste it. Copy this, guys. Tell me. href. Art. Where is this? ZH underscore CN. ZH underscore CN. Tell me. Chinese. Next, ahref lang. Tell me. HI underscore IN. Hindi, Hindi. Hindi. Yeah, it should be French, right? It should be French. Okay. Acha, space is missing. ये href question mark lang is equal to un underscore you give anything, it will go to default. If you don't give correct also, it will go to default. Why there is no URL? Because I want to see it's coming back to same page. This page is launched. When I click on hyperlink, just label should change, same page should be displayed. That means same handler method should execute. This provision I said in action attribute also, right? When you submit the request has to go to that URL using which the current page is launched. Then there is no need of giving action attribute value and href attribute value. But then why are you passing this extra query string? Are already launched page without request parameters that line. Now this time I want to launch with request par. Why lang only? Already I have alerted my what? A locale change interceptor along with the request lang is carrying locale information. Accordingly, you activate the locale, right? Okay, guys, fine. What is there? English. Here is my English. Say okay. UTF-8 is not a legal character. How come? Page encoding. Acha, page encoding. That's wrong. Page encoding. Then if you write this, there is no need of writing this. There is no need of writing char set. UTF-8 you can directly write content type. This one. This is the content type. Content type this, and there is no need of char set also. Just text slash HTML is enough or not? Okay, guys, tell me. I18N, right click, run on server, say next, remove all, save finish, save okay. NBSP semicolon gone wrong. No one noticed, guys. NBSP SP ESP ESP. ESP. Okay. Right click, run on server, say next, say finish. Restart the server. Anyhow, home page comes, whether that home page comes with changing labels or okay, home page come. See, initial request, no lang request parameter, default English. If nothing is given, the base private contains label. German. Things are changed to German or not? French, Chinese, study them. हिंदी I18 में आपको स्वागत है. ग्राहक पंजीकरण करे. वेरी टफ हिंदी रहा वो. वेरी शुद्ध हिंदी काइंड ऑफ थिंग. या पंजीकरण करे. Oh, super. Welcome. It's happening or not there? It's great. Fantastic, guys. Yeah, this is the whole mechanism that we are looking for. Welcome to I18N, register customer, German kind of thing. Okay, that's great. href lang, all this stuff, right, boss? Understanding my statement, my dear. But I have to take second page also into picture, right? Yeah, let's take second page. Second page means register is there. Customer operations controller. But first of all, let me develop one model class because form is launched, some form data and all this stuff is there now, guys. Yeah, I'll take class customer. Yes, boss. Class customer. Private integer CNO. Private string CNAME. What is next one? Private double bill amount. Double bill amount. At the rate data. You just take it what? At the rate data. That's good. This is my customer.java, guys. Okay. This is my customer.java. CNO, CNAME, and what? Bill amount. This is my configure. This is my pages. Right. Okay. Go to controller class, guys. This is my controller, guys. Customer operations controller. Yeah. Tell me, guys. Public string. What is there? Show registration page. So registration page. Tell me. At the rate model attribute. At the rate model attribute cust. What is there? Customer cust. At the rate get map slash. What is there? Cust. I think register, fine. Register. Yeah, written LVN. What is there? LVN, logical view name. Written, show underscore. What underscore? Show underscore customer. Why always register underscore custom. Register underscore customer. Yeah, tell me. Register underscore customer. Register underscore customer. Yeah, customer cust. No, don't worry. Customer spell mistake. Yeah, fine. I have to develop the this page now, guys. Yeah, let's take welcome.jsp. File save as. Okay, what is there? Register underscore. Register underscore customer.jsp. Yeah, this is fine. That is okay. Tag lib also fine. That's okay. But I have to import form tag library also. URI tags slash what is there? Form. Prefix is equal to F. Tags slash form. Prefix is equal to FR. We are ready with my dear? Yes. Okay, that's good. Yeah, SP colon message code is equal to home dot title. SP colon message code is equal this one. This is not home dot title this time. Customer dot what dot? Registration dot. What is there? Title. Customer dot registration dot title. That's good. Tell me next one. Copy this. Okay. Link, no link here. Link is not there. Any link is there, guys? No. But this part as it is, we have to take up. But we have to design the form page having some labels. Yeah, tell me. FRM colon form. F key name is same. Yeah, that's not right. Customer dot registration dot title. We are feeling shy for small thing, ra? Registration. Customer dot registration dot title. Happy, yeah? Okay. Model attribute is equal to cust. By default, post and all this stuff. Okay. Yeah, fine. Good. You are doing good. Concentrate. Okay. Table align is equal to center. TR opening and closing. TD. Okay. TD. SP colon message. Code is equal to SP colon message. Code is equal to customer dot registration dot ID. Customer dot registration dot ID. Customer dot registration dot ID. SP colon message opening and what? Closing. Here is what? TD. Tell me next one. TD opening and closing. Customer dot registration dot what is there? Name. Customer dot registration dot name. Yeah, tell me. Next one. TR opening and what? Close. Yeah, registration dot. Acha, both I have taken wrongly. 1 minute. 1 minute. Here, I think I have to take a text box, right? Input type is equal to what is there? FRM colon input. Type not required. Default text box only. CNO. FRM colon input path is equal to what? CN. Registration dot name. Yeah, FRM colon input path is equal to CNAME. CNAME. Next, I think third one is bill amount now, guys. Yeah, registration dot bill amount. Yeah, tell me here, where is this? Bill amount. Where is this, guys? Bill amount. Save this. I have to take a submit button with a caption or not? Here I will take call span. Here I will take call span is equal to 2. Call span is equal to 2. Tell me. FRM colon. FRM colon. No, they directly. Input type is equal to submit. Input type is equal to what? Submit. Input type is equal to submit. Next one. Value is equal to register. Input type is equal to submit. Value is equal to register. That's good. Okay. Register, I don't want to hard code. This hard code, this should come from what? There. Yeah, tell me. SP colon message. Code is equal to code opening and what? Closing. Yeah, tell me guys. SP colon message code is equal to dollar flower bracket opening and what? Closing. Yeah, not dollar. Directly code. You have to write the code. Customer dot, where is this? Registration dot, what is there? Bill. Customer dot, link one we have taken. We have not taken anything. We have not taken anything. Okay, fine, leave it. I'll hard code that. No, we have not taken anything. Home dot link one is for home page, waste fellow. Home dot link one is for what? Home page. Where is your brains, Naina? Yeah, okay, fine. I'll take it again, only for at least in this caption. Register customer. Problem is in other places it is not there. Fine. Quickly we will add it. Quickly we will add in all languages. Quickly we will add in what? All languages. Where is Google Translate? Forget about this. Paste. Yeah, where is this? Copy. Registration dot caption. We are ready with the German one now, guys. Yeah, where is German file? German. Here is what? German. Say paste. That's good. Tell me next one. FR underscore FR. German this. Yeah, this is what? French. Yeah, why French? Yeah. Copy this. Paste. Next, what is there? Hindi one. Hindi, China. Yeah, fine. First you get from Chinese. Symbols based. Right. That is done. Next. Huh? Hindi. 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 Here is that. Grahak Panjikrut Kare. Registration. No, Panjikrut. Something has come. Panjikrut. Krat. Whatever it is. Panjikrat. Yeah, I understood that. Hmm. Right. I think we are ready with all the stuff. Run and server. Say next. We have not saved. In JSP page, we have written nicely, madam. I think we have written. Register underscore this one. Oh, here, what is there? Code is there. Caps. Yeah, good identification. That's good. Yeah, right click, run on server. Say next, say finish. I hope you're going to enjoy this output. Yeah, I don't stop here. I will go for date formats and other things also. Yeah, this is already done. Register customer, form page should come. Okay, maybe background is missing. Okay, fine. You want beautiful background, guys. Busy color, cyan. Busy color, cyan. Cyan is one, I think, sea blue color something. Right? Okay, fine. German has come. French labels have come. Chinese, you read it, I will help you. What is there? Hindi, Yeah, everything is coming, guys. I can read this, fine. Grahat Panjikaran, what is that? Pat. Push. Okay. What is that? Push. Okay. ग्राहक आईडी ग्राहक का नाम ग्राहक का बिल रसी राशिया ओके फाइन ग्राहक पंजीकृत करे फाइन राइट फाइन इट्स कमिंग Yeah, on this page, we deal with what? Date format, time format, number format, currency symbols, many things we try to bring into picture to make this application more reusable application. I hope you enjoyed the way labels are changing. Same thing they have done in Google Translate also, right? In Google homepage, some 4 or 5 languages will come or not. But there, that is more interesting. In India, Indian language will come. You go to Singapore, whatever 3 or 4 popular languages are there, they will come. Based on the location, they are rendering those labels. I think in Singapore, 3 languages: English, Chinese, and Malay. Malay means Malayalam, Malaysia language. Malaysian language is there. And that language also no script. That language, no script. They write everything in English. They have pronunciation, but script is not there. So they write everything in what? English only. Fine. Okay. In fact, in Singapore, 4 languages. Even Tamil is also there. Tamil, Tamil is, I think, third popular language there. They don't have national language concept. They don't have national language concept. But whatever advertisement or announcement comes in railway stations or metro station, it has to come in 3 languages. Chinese language, this one, Malay and Tamil. And last one is what? English. English for tourist people. So in 4 languages, it will come. I think in Hyderabad Metro, I think 2 languages they will come. 3. Telugu, Urdu, and what? English. English. That's not Hindi, that's Urdu. You check once, it's a Urdu. Fine. Okay. Yeah, I have to upload the notes now, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Google Translate. I think now space problem is there. Yeah. Give me 1 minute. I'll check whether what I can do in the space. It's not about 30, Babu. Again, process. I have to link everything. Trash can.